Quick to put up, quick to take down. Simple to explain. Safe and easy to use. Panel floor formwork Dokadek 30. Speed. Form big areas fast with only 2 men.
On this project, we had 2 cranes and 22 workers. In short, this meant that we didn't have enough craneage to reposition the table forms as well. This is where the advantages of the Dokadek system come in. A few crane cycles, and everything else you can do by hand, working from floor level. Optimizes the workload, saves time. We are really satisfied with it. All the erection and dismantling work is done from ground level, so the crane is only needed for closing the infill zones. This means there are no waiting times. Working from ground level, especially when striking the formwork, this is a big success factor. The deck drive then lets you shift up to 12 square meters of formwork at a time, even when space is tight. Combining suspension clamps with Formwork beams H20 lets you connect seamlessly to Dokaflex, with no extra props and no need for improvisations. Safety. Another really convincing aspect of Dokadek is its very high standard of safety. The fact that you can form large areas working from floor level means that you have a significantly lower accident risk. Because the panels are rectangular in shape, it's easy to form higher slabs as well, without walking on the floor slab formwork. Always working safely from floor level. The integral anti-lift-out guard prevents any of the panels accidentally falling off, and means there's no need for extra precautions like wind bracing. And this saves you time and money. The clearly defined erection sequence gives you a consistently high safety level. It makes sure that your formwork will always be put up correctly, and it boosts the productivity of your site crew. Dokadek is fully compatible with the Doka Edge Protection System XP for the extra dimension in safety. Simplicity. One system, only 3 basic components: panels, heads, and props. Easy to use, easy to explain. Dokadek is really easy to handle. You put the props up, hook in the panel, raise it and shore it, that's it. Engage the panel. Raise the free end. Put a prop under it. 3 easy steps to use it quickly and correctly. Only 2 sizes of panel to simplify logistics on your site. Easy, back-friendly working from floor level. Having to bend down all the time and insert the panels from above is a thing of the past. Dokadek also reduces strenuous overhead work, even during formwork removal. One system, 3 working methods. How you use Dokadek 30 is up to you, depending on the requirements. As the standard system without drop heads, with proof of actual concrete strength to permit earlier stripping, or as a traditional early stripping system with drop heads. You decide the best time to strip the formwork. Panel floor formwork Dokadek 30 can also be readily combined with all other Doka floor slab systems. Panel floor formwork Dokadek. Slab formwork at its most evolved.